Namaskar students. In this video, we are going to discuss output and error questions based on working with functions. So let me begin. Myself Sanjay Parmar. I welcome you all in my series Computer Science Class 12. So the first question is like this. You can see on the screen. First function is declared fun1, then only print Python let's function with fun with functions, then function is called. So here output is very simple, Python let's fun with functions. So explanation, the code has a simple print function is used to print character in Python language. Okay, so that is very basic. Now next question is like this. First function header, then I into 3 module by 2 equal to 0, then I into I, then otherwise I into 4 and return I. Add A equal to add 10. Here one argument is passed, that is 10. So let me check the output. The output will be 100. And how it is coming? Let me go for the explanation. Now see, add passed one variable, that is 10. Means in add we have passed here a variable, the value is 10. So I equal to 10. So when it returns here, so I means 10. So in first 10 into 3 module by 2 equal to 0 means first priority will be given to multiplication operator, or we can say asterisk symbol. So first asterisk symbol will be executed. So that will be 10 into 3 module by 2 equal to 0. The condition is true as remainder will be 0. So I into I, that is I 10 into 10 equal to 100. So this way it will produce the output. Now next question, import math, then area function is declared, then we have written the value math.py into r, then integer, then function is called area. So the output will be 314. How? The function area has one parameter r and passed value is 10. When it executes the return statement of function, it calculates the value 3.14 into 10 into 10 because we have passed the value 10 here. So pi equal to 3.1415926535897993. This is the default value for pi variable. So the answer will be 314.15926535897993. Now in call statement, integer function is passed. So to avoid these all numbers, we are using integer function, this one, which is built-in function. So it is used that converts answer into integer. So if you want to convert this function, we have to use. So our answer is this 314 point this one. But when we use integer here in function, integer function is used, so that will be converted into integer part. So the output will be 314. Now the next question. Next question, we have passed two arguments and some exchange are there. We have just swapped the values from x to y, y to x, and again x to y by using some arithmetic operators. So let me understand. The output is a equal to 3, b equal to 5. Let me go for explanation. First, initially a equal to 5 and b 3 passed into function. So here you can see a, that is 5, and b, that is 3. So that two values will be passed into function. When cursor jumps to function header fun1 x comma y, it seems like fun1 5 comma 3. Yes. So when we pass 5 and 3, it will something like this. Then x equal to x plus y, that is x equal to 5 plus 3. So here x equal to 8. In this statement, x becomes 8. After that, y equal to x minus y. So what will be the value of x? That is 8. And what is the value of y? That is 3. So again y equal to 5. Now after that, in next statement again x minus y, x equal to x minus y. So x minus y, that is x equal to 8. y equal to 5. So x becomes 3. So finally A is 3 and B equal to 5. So that will be your final output. So I hope you understood it, how it is executing. First, the value will be taken from the argument whatever we have passed. Okay, next the function looks like this: def div 5, then n value is passed. If n multiplied by 5 equal to 0, return n to 5, otherwise n into 5, otherwise return n plus 5. Then output m equal to 5. Here default argument is passed. Okay, this is default argument, and then this function is called 3 times. One parameter passed, again without parameter, and again one parameter. So let me understand how it is executing, and here for loop is also used. So how it is executing? So output is something like this. Here you can see it is starting from 0, then 6, 7, 8, 9, and in between @ symbol is used here, so that is printed. So the function output 7, in this case m equal to 7. So means first m equal to 7. Now the range starts with 0 to 6, because when we started 7 means n minus 1. So your function will start, your range will start with n minus 1, that is 0. So the loop will continue up to 0 to 6. Now see, when I equal to 0, div 5 into I, because basically we are passing I only. So 0 multiplied by 5 equal to 0. So that is the first condition. Then n into 5, next statement, n into 5, 0 into 5, that is also 0. Now jump to loop, print 0 @. So it will go to the loop. See, I will explain you from this code only. See, first output 7 is passed. Now it will jump to output function. So output function is declared here. Now m is already given 5, but here we have passed the value, so it will consider 7 only. 7. Now range 0 m, so it will start with 0 and go to 6. Now again print div 5 of I. So here it will go to div 5 of I, that is I. So I is 0. 0 multiplied by 5 equal to 0. 0 into 5 equal to 0. So when this condition is true, it will jump to this statement, and that will be 0 in this first statement. After that it moves to next statement. That next statement will be the update statement for I. So I becomes 1 here. Then div 5 of I, 1 multiplied by 5. The answer is 1. Condition is true or false? Condition is false, because this condition is not satisfying over here, but it is satisfying over here. So it will return n plus 5. So that is why n plus 5. So n plus 5, we have n equal to 1 and 5. So that will be 6. Now jump to loop statement and print 6 @. So next it will print 6 @. Again 2 will come, then the same operation will be done. Similarly, when condition is true, it will jump to the next statement, and when condition is false, it will jump to the else, and condition true, it will jump to if, first statement here in if. So likely it will print the value. So when I becomes 5, the answer will be 0. So that time it will perform 5 into 5, 25, and it will print the 25 @. See here 25 is there. Why? Because the condition is true. So likely all the statements will be performed and all the functions will be called. Here output is called without any parameter. So when parameter is not passed, that means it will accept this value 5. And when again parameter is called, the return statement will do the same thing. So that you can do yourself and check your output. Okay, let me move to next question. Def sum star n. Okay, this is you know very well. It is known as keyword arguments. So keyword arguments passed here means when star is used, you can pass any number of arguments into that function. So here 3 times this function is called. First without any parameter, second with 1 parameter, and third with 3 parameters. So how it will be executing? the output, first it will display sum equal to 5, then sum equal to 10, then sum equal to 30, then sum equal to 60. Here function called 3 times, but output is printed 4 times. Okay, how it is happening? So let we understand. First function 1 sum without argument, so output is none. Okay, so that is sum function, nothing is passed, means the output will be none only, because when in keyword arguments you are passing keyword arguments and no parameter is given in the calling statement, that means it will none only, so it will return none to the interpreter. Next function 2 sum 5, so I equal to 5, total plus equal to I, so that means total plus I, 0 plus 5, that is 5. So in that function it is returning 5 only. Now function 3, when it comes to function 3 sum 10 20 30, so that means n 10 20 30, 3 values taken by the function. Now I equal to 10, so total plus I, 0 plus 10, that is 10. So that is the first one. Then sum equal to 10, 20, 30. Now I equal to 20, second value. Total plus I, 10 plus 20, that is 30. So that is printing over here, 30. Then sum 10, 20, 30. Now it turns to I equal to 30. So I equal to 30, total plus I. So total, previously it was 30. So 30 plus 30. So here final answer will be 60. So like this, when keyword arguments are passed to your function, it will execute in this manner. Next question, def function b, then one variable used, that is as a global, then global x equal to x. So like this, the output will be x is used as global and local variable. Global x equal to 5, local x equal to 7, y equal to 15, z equal to -3. So let me explain this. Values of variable x global, that is 5, b passed as argument, that is 10. Now y equal to x plus b. So here in first statement x plus b. So here x plus b means global x is given, so global x is printed automatically. Now here x plus b, so x equal to 5, that is passed over here. Then 5 plus 10, so y becomes 20 because x plus b. So b, variable b, that is past value, and x equal to 5. So this plus this, so that variable will be 10. So in first line it will print 15. Now next x equal to 7. So here x equal to 7 is given. Yes, x equal to 7. After executing this statement, it will jump to this statement where x equal to 7. So there x equal to 7, z equal to 7 minus 10. So the output will be -3. So this way it will execute and print the output. If you did not understood this till what is global and local variable, I have already uploaded one video that you will get in I button or in description link, that is LEGB rule, that you refer that video, watch that video and understand how this x will be used outside function, inside function, how it will be treated as local or global. Okay, so next question, here we have passed default argument one more time. So default argument, it will works in this manner. Let we understand. Function b, x equal to b equal to 10. So initially x equal to b equal to 10. So here b, that is 10, and function b. So first this function will be called. So in this manner x becomes b, that is 10, and y is 100 already because another variable is not passed over here. So x equal to b, 10, then y equal to 100. Then in first statement temp equal to 10 plus 100, that is 110. Then x equal to 110 plus 10, that is 120. Now 120 is not equal to 200, so the answer will be 120. Here it is passed something like that. See, if y not equal to 200, so y we have 120. So if it is not equal to 200, then print temp x. So 2 times the value of x will be printed. That's why 110, 120, 100. 20. Now next line, line 2, print AB. So there A and B, two values will be passed, 20, 10. Okay, so function 2, x equal to 20, y equal to 10, temp equal to 20 plus 10, that is 30. Now x equal to 20, 30 plus 20, that is 50. Now again 50 not equal to 200, so the output will be 50. Okay, so here line 3, it will jump to print once again, temp x, temp equal to 30, x equal to 50. So the output will be 30, 50, 50. And in the last line, line 4, print AB 20, 10. So it will be simply print 20, 10. It will not go to the statement, this statement. Okay, because y is not equal to 200 here. So nothing happens. It will print simply the value, whatever x and y passed as an argument. Okay, now next, get x, y, z, three parameters, x plus y equal to x plus equal to y minus equal to 1, then z star. Here multiplication x minus y, x, y, z. So here it is also simple, but only the positional keyword arguments and the position of parameter passing, that will be changed. First it is ACB, then it is BCA, then it is ABC, then it is ACB. So this also you can watch a video that I have already uploaded with parameters, how we can pass parameter in function. So that position you can change anytime, anywhere, but it should be in this manner only. So let me check. Function 1, ACB. So first A equal to Z, that is 10, C equal to Y, that is 5, B equal to X, that is 20. Now X equal to 5 into 20, that is 100, Y equal to 5 plus 1, that is 6, Z equal to 10 into 100 plus 6. So the first will be 1060. Now the value printed like this, X, $Y, $Z. So X is 100, Y is 6, and Z is 1060. So that output will be printed in this manner. So line 1 print 100, 6 and 1060. Function 2, similarly BCA, B equal to X equal to 20, C equal to Y equal to 5, Z equal to A equal to 10. Now X equal to 20 plus 5, 25, Y equal to 5 minus 1, 4, Z equal to 10 into 25 minus 4. So 10 into 21, that will be 210. Now line 1 print X, $Y, $Z. So we have the values over here. Now one more thing. See, it will execute this function X, Y, Z, because two functions we have used, X, Y, Z and Z, Y, X. So whatever function will be passed, accordingly it will take the values. So here it will execute the second function, that is BCA. Okay, so it will print like this: 25 hash sign 4 hash sign 210. Similarly, function 3 and function 4 will execute in the same manner. Okay, so that you do practice yourself so you can understand. Now let me jump to error-based question. Error-based question, here some of the errors are given. So let me check. Definition in XY. In can't be used as a function name because it's a keyword. Here I have used DEF in. So in cannot be used because it is a keyword. If you want to use that, then you can take input like this. Input cannot be also used because input is also one function. So that you cannot use, but you have to change something there. Okay, in place of in underscore you can do like this, input. So that will be the correction. So there is the first error. Second error, print x dot y. Here dot is written, dot never passed in the print function. So the variable in Python print function separated by comma, not dot. So if you want to separate them, you have to use comma. Second, void get x equal to 10, y then y. Okay, so here also you cannot assign a value in function header, because when you assign the value, it's called default arguments. So default arguments always start from right side only. You have to start like that, right, whatever number of variables are there, you have to assign from right side. So the default argument must be assign a value from right to left. So print x and y, and then here x and y, n must be enclosed with quotes. Okay, because n is given over here, but what is that? We cannot understand because n is not assigned or never used here, so that you have to enclose with single quote. So that will be considered as a string and it will print the value. Now next, program to compute result. First comment is given, but comment is given, they have used double slash. So for that reason you have to use hash sign here. When you use hash sign, it will considered as comment because double slash is not used in Python. In other programming languages, you can use that double slash. After that, if English less than 35, then maths 35 like this, science. So this is OR operator, but it is not used in Python. If you want to use in Python, you have to use this keyword OR. So clearly you have to write OR here, and science equal to 35, whatever there. So then science equal to 35, it should be written in above line or should be used in upper line. So it should be used there only. And if you want to write in another line, you have to use this slash as the physical line structure. Okay, next. In this function, a equal to 5, b equal to 10. In Python, variables should not assign in a single line by comma. Okay, so that is allowed in other programming languages, but in Python, if you want to give something like that, what you have to use, you can write in this manner: a comma b equal to 5 comma 10. So that will be allowed if you want to assign in single line. This is not allowed, so that you have to remember. Then swap a, the positional argument must be passed. Here swap a, here it is positional argument only, and default argument is not used, or keyword argument is also not given. So that's why you have to pass both of them. So that requires in this function swap a. Similarly for swap b. So these are the errors in this function. Now this is the last question for this video. CalC display. So here discount rate equal to 5%. So here you can see discount rate is given, but it is the last parameter, so it must be equal to 0.5. So that should be declared over here, or it should be initialized like this. So that parameters, when you are passing parameter, as I have already explained, default argument takes the value from right to left. So here it should be assigned 0.5 first, then cal this 10 function call statement, cal underscore this should be there. Okay, so here also it should be there. This is the error because function name is wrong here. That's why we have to write the same function name whatever we have passed. So I hope you understood these questions, and if you have any doubt or if you have any other question related to output or error question from working with function, you can comment. I will explain you with the reply. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video, and if you enjoy this learning, just press the hit the like button and share with your friends. And if you are watching my video first time, coming to my channel first time, subscribe the channel and press bell notification icon to get more updates. Thank you very much for watching my video. Once again, keep watching, keep learning.